Amanya's feet like literally fall out of her.
One time she slid, fell on her butt, got back up, and kept going after the thing.
They're going back behind the piano.
She is such a ball hog.
Whoa.
Was that Petal?
I think so. Amanya, come. Amanya, come. Come.
Petal, come.
Amanya, come.
Petal, come.
Come here. Come on, Amanya. Come on. Amanya, come. Amanya, come. Hello. Excuse me. Nice to see you. She's like, leave me alone, I'm playing. Your dog's quick. Amanya. Amanya. They like it over there by the piano for some reason. Well, if this doesn't tucker them out, nothing will.
Yeah, I guess they're gonna take a break now before they get the second wind.
They're doing a stare down. Petal has the cuz and Amanya's just got her tongue sticking out staring at it. We're like, come on, share. Share. Oh, she dropped it. Is she gonna share? Come on, share.
I dare you. I dare you. I dare you to pick it up.
Come on, Amanya, get it. They're just
She's a bully. She really is.
Get it, Amanya, get it. Come on, get it.
Did Amanya get it?
I think so. No, actually, I think Petal has it. Stare down. Hi, my name is Pansy, and I got the cuz, and you don't. I think she intentionally drops it just to see what Amanya will
She
do.
does exactly the same thing to me too. And when I try to go for it, she picks up and runs away.
She's like, nah. They're so quick.
Are you trying to tape this?
Yep. They run by so fast that you get like little bitty glimpses of them. Like, zoom.
You should go stand in that other corner because you'll get them coming at you.
That's true. Okay, here we go.
Just be careful about your knees.
Yeah.
Or the corner to our left.
Uh-huh. Go over here and get... Yeah, right here. What are you doing? What are you doing? And there they go. Amanya.
Good girl. Good girl.
Amanya.
I got it.
Amanya.
Good girl. Okay, let's throw for the boat. Okay?
All right, go.
Take off near the revolving door.
All right.